let's say this is the Excel file and your data is like this, 1 colon something q1 colon something like this. So there are few issues in this. This is what is called delimited by semicolon, not colon basically. You click on data, you go to text to columns here and you choose delimited and go next to it, and then here you select semicolon here or semicolon. Okay, you do this, and if I click next now, you will see it goes. You click finish. The only problem I will see, it will say there is already data, do you want to replace? So if I click OK, I'm not going to click OK right now, I'm going to cancel it. This will override this. So initial step is to know how many data is here. There is 1 2 3, so meaning there are 2 semicolons. So you should have 3 columns needed. So I just insert some empty columns here first. Okay, so let's say I have 3 columns now. I really need 3. I'm going to put 4 for safety purpose. So select this whole column. So you'll have data in each of these rows. Just select them. Click data, click text to column, select delimited, go next. Make sure you select the semicolon. You can even remove this tab. That's not going to apply in your case. So semicolon, click next, click finish. So you have this. Now this column here, I'll just cut this, paste it here, and I do the same. Just click this, click delimited, next, semicolon, finish. And that's it. This gives you an answer.